How to fix TikTok CapCut template not showing. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple. Just go into the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Go to the Wi-Fi and disable it, and then go back to the settings, open the apps manager. After you open the apps manager, now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find TikTok and then click on this for stop. Click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again into the settings, go to the wireless, click on the Wi-Fi, enable it. And then you have to go into the Play Store and search for TikTok and then click on this update option. Don't forget to like, subscribe.